How to fix the Discord Game SDK.dll not found error while opening COD Modern Warfare 2 and 3. Let's get started. First, search for Virus and Threat Protection and open it. Then go to Protection History, where you may see a threat quarantined when opening COD. Check the alert details to confirm the game folder location so you know it's the correct file. Then, hover over the Action button and click Restore. After that, go back to the home page, open Virus and Threat Protection again, click Manage Settings, scroll down, and select Add or Remove Exclusions. Then add your entire game folder. Sometimes antivirus software removes important DLL files, so we need to restore them. Now open your browser and go to a trusted website. Click Download, scroll down, select the latest version, and download it. Then open your Downloads folder, extract the file, copy the DLL file, and paste it into your game folder. These methods should solve your problem. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe.